Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a house with this garden together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw the roof with a diagonal line. A slight thickness, then draw two lines of a triangle. A thickness, and close the roof with another diagonal line. Draw the facade of the house, first a vertical line, a horizontal line, and a vertical line. Keep on drawing the roof with a horizontal line, a diagonal line, and a horizontal line. Now draw the side of the house, first a vertical line, then a horizontal one. Draw the door with a rectangle. With two rectangles, draw the side window of the house, then divide the window with two vertical lines. Draw the front window of the house, first two rectangles and then two vertical lines. Wow! Our design is taking shape! Now draw a bush with three semicircles and a horizontal line. Draw the tree with two vertical lines and two oblique lines for the trunk. Draw many semicircles for the crown of the tree. And finally, draw a letter V for the branches. Now draw a circle for the sun. Draw three clouds of different sizes, first some semicircle of various sizes, then a horizontal line. Finally, draw the sun rays with some semicircles. Wow! Our house turned out really well! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use red for the door, windows and roof. Use orange for the wall of the house. Color the bush and tree crown with green. Use brown for the tree trunk. Now color the clouds with blue. And use yellow for the windows and sunshine. Wow! Our house is marvelous and the garden is the perfect spot for many pleasant moments. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!